Hello and welcome back to my Slow English for Beginners A1 listening practice. My name is Adam. I'm your English friend today. I want to tell you about my morning. Please listen carefully. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just relax and enjoy. I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. I open my window. The air is cool and fresh. I can hear the birds. I smile. I smile. Okay. I feel happy. Then I go to the kitchen. Then, then I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of tea. Cup of tea. Tea. I make a cup of tea. Sometimes I drink coffee. Today I drink tea. Why? I like tea because it's warm, very warm. I sit near the window. I look outside. I see people walking. Some people go to work. Some people go to work. Some children go to school. The street is quiet. After breakfast, I read an English book. I read slowly. I learn one new word every day. I wrote the word in my notebook. Okay. Then reading English every day helps me improve later. Helps me improve. Later, I take a short walk. I take a short walk. The weather is sunny. The sky is blue. I see green trees. I hear dog barking, barking, barking. I enjoy the fresh air. When I come home, I study English again. I watch a short video. I listen carefully. I repeat the sentences. Speaking slowly helps me pronunciation. Learning English takes time, of course. But every simple step is important, of course. If you study a little step is important. If you study a little every day, you will become better and better. Saturday morning. The weather is beautiful. The sun is shining. The sky is bright blue. I put on my shoes. I leave my house. The park is close my home. I walk there in 10 minutes. When I arrive, when walk to park close my home, the park close in my home. I walk there. Take 10 minutes to arrive. I see many green trees there. The flowers are red, yellow, and pink. They look lovely. I hear birds singing. Everything feels calm. I sit on wooden bench. I close my eye. I take deep breaths. The fresh air feels nice. The small dog walk by. The dog is white and brown. The dog is white and brown. It looks at me. It looks at me. I smile. A little girl is playing with a ball. She laughs with her father. A man is reading a newspaper. Reading newspaper. Two friends are talking. Everyone looks relaxed. I take out a bottle of water. I drink slowly. Then I eat an apple. I eat an apple. It is sweet. It is sweet and fresh. I enjoy this quiet morning. Sometimes life is busy, hustle bustle, but today I feel peaceful. I feel peaceful. Before I go home, I look at the trees one more time. Nature makes me happy. Hello again. Another day is my first English class. I feel excited. I feel excited. I also feel a little nervous. I feel a little nervous. I wake up early. I take a shower. I get dressed. Breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink a cup of tea. Then I pack my bag. I put a notebook inside my bag and take my notebook inside. I put two pens inside. I have my bag, and put two pens inside. Also bring a bottle of water. Also bring a bottle of water. Everything is ready. I leave my house. The school is not far away. I walk for 15 minutes. The weather is very cool. The streets are quiet. The streets are quiet. Soon I arrive at the school. I open the door. I see many students there. So many students are talking. So many students are talking. Some students are smiling. Everyone looks friendly. A teacher walks into the classroom. She smiles and says, "Good morning, everyone." We we all say we all say good morning. The teacher writes her name in the board. Write her name in the board. Then she asks she asks one by one, one by one. What what is your name? Ask one by one. What is your name? Every student answers. When it's my name, Tren, I stand up and say with a smile, "My name is Adam. Nice to meet you." The teacher smiles and she says, "Nice to meet you too. I feel much better." The class began. We learn simple greetings. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, goodbye. We repeat the words together. Then we learn simple question. Then we learn simple question. Simple question. What is your name? How are you? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? I answer slowly. Sometimes I make mistake. Sometimes I make mistake. That's okay. That's okay. The teacher says mistakes helps us learn. Those words makes me happy. Later, we practice in pairs. I talk with another student. I talk with another student. His name is Tom. Has Tom. His name is Tom. He is very kind. We ask each other simple question. I laugh. I laugh when we forget a word. Little by little, speaking becomes easier. It's the end of the class. The teacher, the teacher gives us homework. The teacher gives us homework. It's easy, easy, very easy. She says, practice English for 10 minutes day, every day. I smile. I know I can do it. I know I can do it, of course. I leave the classroom feeling proud. I leave the classroom feeling proud. Today, I learn new words. I meet new friends. Most importantly, I'm no longer afraid of learning English again. This is only the beginning. I can't wait for my next English class. Thank you for listening. Keep practice every day and see you in the next lesson. Have a wonderful day.